Hey travel lovers, welcome back to A Wanderlust for Life here on YouTube. Today we're going to show you how to use the public transportation system here in Amsterdam and which tickets that you can use. So let's get into it. First things first, if you want to ride public transportation in Amsterdam, you're going to need a ticket. So these are your options. A daily GVB ticket, the Amsterdam card, the Amsterdam Travel ticket, Amsterdam and Region Travel ticket, or an OV chip card, but yours will be blue, and you can reload it with any amount that you need. Transportation in and around Amsterdam are serviced by a few different companies. I'm going to explain them because when we get into tickets, it'll make a lot more sense. The GVB handles the city of Amsterdam. We have the blue and white buses, the trams, the metro, and the ferry that takes you to the other side of Amsterdam. The connection buses are red and service the region of Amsterdam. They're really helpful. There's a bus from Schiphol. More information about getting from Schiphol to Amsterdam in the video above. And then we have the NS train service. Now that's the blue and yellow trains that service the country, and some of the tickets also offer that option. So let's get into what ticket that you want. If you're only staying in Amsterdam, I would recommend getting a GVB ticket. So that can be an hour, a day, 7 days, and it allows you unlimited transportation on the GVB system. If you want to travel around Amsterdam and you're only staying in Amsterdam but want to see the museums, definitely get the Amsterdam card. You can get free transportation, free museums, and discounts on a ton of things. It's a great deal. The Amsterdam Travel ticket will get you anywhere in the city of Amsterdam, like the full city of Amsterdam, on all the different transportation options. So not just the GVB. It'll get you on the GVB, the connection buses, and the NS trains, which is super helpful, especially if you want to explore a little bit more. The Amsterdam and Region Travel ticket is one of my favorite options because it allows you all the things in the city of Amsterdam, the NS, connection, GVB, but it actually gets you outside the city into the region, which there's so much to explore out there. So you can go from the famous windmills at Zandvoort, you can go to the Keukenhof, the famous garden when it's open, and even down to like the castles and stuff. It's a great deal. If you want to travel more like a local, just get the reusable, rechargeable OV chip card. Depending on which ticket that you want, you can come to the Amsterdam store and pick most of them up. You can order some online, and any visitor center that you see, you can definitely pick one up. If you just want a GVB ticket to run around Amsterdam, you can grab them at the visitor centers, the little blue boxes at some of the tram stops here in the city, or you can tend to buy them on the bus or the tram. It's a lot of information. I'll leave everything in the description below. No matter which ticket you buy, you'll use it in the same way. Always check in and out. The metros and trains usually have a gate system, but some train stations only use these posts. On buses and trams, check in at the front door or other entrance near the back if you're using a tram, and check out when you get off. Just hit the red button to notify you want the next stop. And to navigate around the city, you can use one of 3 different apps. You can use Google Maps if that's what you're used to. City Mapper is excellent in the city, and the local one is 9292. I'll put all this down below too. All right, I hope this video has helped you learn how to use the public transportation in Amsterdam. Great timing. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want more like this, please let us know in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.